one of them rainy nights. Rain's smacking my window. Dogs barking.
Boy 50.
I wish it was back then, baby. Yeah, I be thinking what you doing lately. Try to push through it, but then I get real lazy. Looking at our old pictures, am I kinda crazy? So I thought about my life and if it should end. Also about that text and why I hit send every other day. Getting faded with my friends. Spitting out enough to blend. Never alone when I'm sipping beer foam. After 18 months, still get smacked with leave a message at the tone. What the fuck is that? Leave me alone, and then I grab the track to break its back. Always smoking on my sack, and you're the one that got me into pack shit. Got me stealing racks, got it stuck in my brain, so I smoke every strain. Cause you the one that left me with all the pain. Baby, I'm done playing with all the games. I don't give a fuck, I'm gonna go away from this place. Every other day waking up shedding tears. Before you, it's been a few years. Have I changed or did I really find fear? Called you my world and now you ain't near. Why the hell am I here? What's even here for me? What is my destiny? All I found is a couple enemies, and that rap shit is my therapy. Use it as utility, keeps me off my fucking knees. Never yelling please, thought that we had it chilling in the breeze. After a year it wasn't such an ease. Couple that was young and diseased got me to stop throwing beats. Now you aren't even mine, still a good use of time. I was spent every single dime I could write every kind of rhyme. I stopped snorting all them lines, cause we were thinking so divine. You was my girl and I was on my grind. Now that's a lot of shit I don't know if I can find.
Boy 50.